Hello everyone, this is Professor Maloney, and so today I'm creating a PowerPoint demonstration video for chapters 3 and 4, and then I'll do a second recording for PowerPoint chapters 5 and 6. I liked how I did it in for Access, where I split the trainings up into 2 different sessions. That way I didn't have to spend as much time doing it. So I'm going to do the same thing again. And of course, PowerPoint, you know, it's your last module. So congratulations for making it to the last couple weeks off class. All righty. So let's get going. It is, let's see, 8:24 p.m. So I've been recording for about a minute. So I'll go hopefully no more than, well, for sure no more than 40 minutes. It's only 2 chapters and hopefully less. All right. So I'm going to take the picture of me away, go into our sharing, share my screen. Hide that, and then I'm going to go over into get out of there, sorry, student start here and here, that silly thing away, go into, let's see, actually I should be in your view, right? Yeah, what's going on? What's going on? I always get so confused. Why am I not? I guess, oh, course materials. That's right, course materials. I'm telling you, I have too many classes and it's, got to get rid of that silly thing. Okay, so I'm in the, wait, that's return to. So I'm in your view. So PowerPoint, as you see, you have until 4/26 to do your work. But then the 27th will be the exam, which is 2 weeks from tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll be meeting. So, like I said, I'm doing 2 chapters. For PowerPoint officially, there's chapters 3, 4, 5, and 6. So I'm going to just do chapter 3 and then just do chapter 4, you know, meaning tonight. And then tomorrow I'll do the others. All right. All right. So let's see here where we are. So, after slide 4, insert a new slides from a Word outline. So here's slide 4, okay? So they want us to go into insert new slide. So we always do that from the home tab, the new slides area. But they don't want a new slide based on the usual templates up here. They want it from an outline, a Word outline. So we click slides from outline. And when we do, that means we then have to browse to a particular place. And they're saying they want P03H1 outline. So P03H1 outline, and that's it. Okay, so that part is already done. Then they want us to change to slide sorter view. So they're telling us it's a view, so we click the view tab. And then here are the presentation views. We want slide sorter, okay? So that's all done. Now they want us to select slides 5 through 10, okay, from these new slides. So here is 5. So click 5 and then click down to 10. Oh, wait, sorry. This is actually 5. You know, you got to click on the slides to see which one it is. See, this says slide 5 of 11. I was doing this one going down lower, but this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So here's 5, and here is 10. 10. So hit my shift to select 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right. And now what? Reset the slides to match the formatting off the original slide theme that we have. All right. So just basically, in the slides group up here, we want to reset. So let's see here, the home, and we want to reset. Reset. Where am I? I'll reset right here in the slides. Make sure I've got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 again. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. See, these have to be reset to the other style. So here's reset. Okay. All right, now in the status bar, click normal. So the status bar is down here, sort of like the task bar. The status bar is the bottom thing in your PowerPoint presentation. So over here on the far left is the normal. All right. Okay, now change the layout of slide 7. So click on slide 7. So if you're talking about things like layout, again, it's in the slides group, and they want us to change the layout just of this slide. So it says slide 7 of 11 after I single clicked on it. So we go to layout, and they want it to be to content. So look for to content, which is this one. Okay. All right. Now, still on slide 7. So we're on slide 7 in the left content. So now we're going to insert a vertical list box. Okay. All right. So on the left side here, we have to go ahead and find what we're looking for. So it says smart. So go into your smart things. And then in here, we're looking for second column, second row under list. Am I on list? Second row, second column under list. I am not under list yet. Let's see here where that is. Smart art. That should be a-okay. Let's see here. Smart art. More smart art? No. Let's get away. Slide 7. I'm on slide 7. Let's see. Oh, insert. Let's go to the insert tab. Sorry, insert. Okay. And now under insert, then we can click smart art. Okay. And there we go. We see list. So insert a vertical box list. And in this one, it's the second column, second row under list. So here's list. So second column is this one. Okay. Second row is this one. So this is the one, and it says vertical box list. Okay. So now we have that. So vertical box list. And of course, we have to say OK. So now we have that. And now they want us to type owner surrender as the first bullet. These are bullets, right? So here, owner surrender with a capital O and a capital S. Okay. And then stray with a capital S for the second one. And then cruelty with a capital C for the third one. Okay. All right. So that one is done. So we are finished with number 1. All right, so on slide 4 here, select the first picture in the upper left corner. So we're looking here at slide 4. We're on slide 4. If I slide up here a bit, you'll see we're on slide 4. So select the first picture, okay? And then it's saying press Control and select each of the remaining pictures. So I'm going to hold my Control key down and click this thing, this thing, this thing. I shouldn't say this thing, sorry, these beautiful pictures. All right, so those pictures. And now, so remember, anytime we click on a picture or we click on a shape, then you know there's format tools for this stuff. Okay, so I want to click on the format tools. And let's see here. Here's picture layout. They're saying layout and select bending picture. So here's layout. And it tells us it's row 2, column 5. So row 2, column is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Verify it says bending picture caption. It does. So click it. Okay. So now we're going to type some things that they want us to type. So Max is the first one over here. So obviously the dog's name is Max, capital M. And then the next one is Shadow, J-D-O-W. And then the third one is, shadow's that, Lily. And now it printed the rest, so it's saying that we've completed that question. All right, so now slide 4. We were just on slide 4, still on slide 4. So now they want us to change the Smart Art layout to the titled picture. So let's see, am I going to have to, let's see, this is Smart Art. So I probably need to like click around here somewhere. maybe here instead, so I don't pick a particular dog, but when I have this, you see I have the Smart Art tools up here on top. So like instead of clicking on a cat or a dog, or all of them, you know, with the control or the shift key, I'm clicking on the outside line here. I could also click on the outside here, or the bottom here, you know, wherever there's not a picture. So now I have Smart Art tools. So now in our Smart Art tools, we have to just figure out what we're looking for. So they're saying, change the Smart Art layout. So Smart Art tools, and here are the layouts to the titled picture blocks. Let's see, titled picture blocks. Okay, right here, first one in the fourth row. Wait, why does it say first one? I'm not sure why it's saying that. Just click that. Okay, so I misunderstood that because it seemed to be the right one. Okay, on slide 4, apply the intense effect. So slide 4, we are already on it. We're in the Smart Art group here. So we're in there. I'm not sure if we need that yet. Apply the intense effect. So we're going to go ahead and look in our Smart Art styles for that. So this is an intense effect. It says the first row, I only see one row. Last column, oh, under best match for documents. So maybe I need to expand the Smart Art styles. Okay, here we go. Best match for a document. And I want, but it's still only, well, anyway, first row. I want the last column. So that's this one. Okay, good. So now on slide 4, we're going to be doing a changing of the color. So let's see here. So slide 4, we're still up here. We want to change the color of the Smart Art. Let's see, change color, change a color, change a color. Oh, change color right in the middle of my screen here. Okay, change color. Colorful accent, first option under colorful. So here's colorful, that one. Okay, now on slide 7, so go to slide 7. Apply the intense effect. We just did the intense effect, I think. So slide 7, and then from within slide 7, we're going to go ahead and click on our tools again. Let's see, slide 7. Yeah, I have to get into these again on the outside. So I'm just going to see if I can get into somewhere. Okay, there. So now I have my format tools again, and I want to go ahead and, oh wait, tools or design. Let's see, apply the intense. This is not a format, it's a design. So design, okay? And in the styles, this was the intense right here. So click that thing. All right. And now change color again to the first option under colorful. Why is it not showing me the rest? Change color. Colorful accent, first option under colorful. And that's the same one I think we used the last time. Okay, so that's done. That is very good. All right, now, let's see. We're going to here, after the cruelty shape. So after, okay, so here's the cruelty shape. So add a shape containing text. Okay, so we're going to add a shape creating text. Let's see here. So after the cruelty shape, so I'm not sure if I'm going to go into it here, but I think that might make sense. Okay. Let's see. Text, text, text. After the cruelty shape, add a shape containing the text. So let's go up into the format again. Format or design. Text. Okay, so format, I mean, design has a text pane. So click the text pane. Okay, and now we have to insert the text transfer from another facility. So that's going to be underneath this one. So I guess we're going to go here and we're going to type transfer from with a capital T, a small f for from, capital A for another, and capital F for facility. Okay, so that is done. Now they're saying reorder the shape with the text transfer. Reorder the text so that transfer to another facility becomes the second shape. Okay, so we're gonna, okay, here's a move up on the ribbon, still in our smart tools. So it becomes the second shape. So I'll move it up to see what happens here. Okay, so it moved up once. The second shape is stray, so move it up again. And okay, so that's done. Now, with the 4 shapes of text selected simultaneously, then change the shapes to, so click on this shape, click on the shift or the control so that they're all selected. Okay. So let's see, we now need to click on, are we changing a shape? With 4 shapes selected, change the shapes. Let's add a shape. I don't think I want to add. Let's see if it's format. Format, change shape, right? So change the shape to arrow, pentagon shapes, pentagon shapes. All right, with the 4 shapes selected, with the 4 shapes selected, 1, 2, 3, they are selected. Am I on the right slide? 7 still. They didn't say to change it. Change the shapes to arrow. This says block arrow. Maybe it's block arrows. Pentagon shape, second row. Oh, okay, under block arrow still in me. Okay, so pentagon is second row, column 7. So second row is this one, column 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is arrow pentagon. Okay, so click that one. Okay, so that one is done. Let's see, this is, oh shoot, I didn't pay attention because this is 3.2. Usually there's 4, like 3.1, 3.1.2, 3.1.3. So I'll do either 1 more or perhaps 2 more, depending on how many I think there were. But on slide 9, so we're on slide 9, insert a table. So we're going to go in here to the insert, and we want a table, which is just below it. And they want it to be 3 columns and 5 rows. So 1, 2, 3 columns, go down to 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's a 3 by 5. And that is what they want there. Okay. So then we're going to insert text called workshop into the first cell. So the first cell is the first one in the top left. We type workshop and tab, and everything else auto completes. Okay. All right. Let's see. Now, position the insertion point in the 4th row on the text vaccinations. Position the insertion point in the 4th row with the text. So this is the row. So I'll just click it right here. I'll click it before vaccinations. It probably doesn't matter because they didn't say before or after. But anyway, so right there, I've got it clicked. Okay. And then they're saying on the table tools layout, so table tools layout, they want me to, in the rows and columns, so looking for rows and columns, they want me to insert above. So click insert above. Okay, so now we have a new row above, and they want me to type responding to pet emergencies, capital R, capital P, capital E. So responding to in small, pet emergencies in big, and then tab, and then that thing there is then going to take care of that. All right, position the insertion point in the first column, that's this column. Let's see, position the insertion point in the first column. On the table tools again, in the rows and columns again, click insert left. So here, this means it'll insert a new column. If it says insert left, you see a little blue picture. So insert a column. So now we have a new column. Okay, so with our new column, we're going to merge it. Let's see, with the first column of the table, select it, merge the cells. Well, this is selected, okay? So we have to merge, let's see, merge right here, merge cells, but I'm not sure if they're saying with the first column, like that, maybe I'll select the column this way. So select the whole column and merge the cells, okay? So now with the table on slide 9 selected, so slide 9, yeah, this is the table. Change the width of the first column. So this is the width of the first column. It looks like it's about 1.5 inches. They want it to be 0.9 inches. So I got to go to, let's see, cell size. The width for this one, change the width to 0.9. So just double click it and say 0.9. You don't need to type the inch mark, the double quote. You just like enter it that way and it does it. Okay. Now slide 9, set the table height to 4.2 inches and the width to 11. So now, wait, slide 9, set the table height. This is table though, so table. Okay, so not over here in a cell, but the whole table. They want the height to 4.2, so 4.2, enter. It puts the double quotes for us, and the table width to 11. 11, enter. Okay, so then that thing is done. All right, now on slide 9, we're going to apply the light style to accent. Wait, how many have I done now? I'm not sure how many I have done, but I think, okay, this is 3, 2, 3. So it was 3, 1, 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 3, 1, 4 is 4, 3, 2, 1, 3. So I've done 6, which is what I always do. And actually, I think I've done way too many because this looks like it's at the end. So, all right, let me go ahead and hit the submit button. Yeah, okay. And then go back over here. Oops, shoot. All right, so we have a score of 42.9%. That's fine. It's chapter whatever. So now chapter 4, simulation training. All right, let's see. This thing is going to drive me up the wall now. All right, step 4.1.3. On slide 4, display the guides. All right, well, so this is anytime it says display, so you know it's a view, okay? So we want to view the guides. The guides are these little things, you know, that sort of segregate this into like sections or quadrants or whatever. So they're saying now move the vertical guide to 2.25. Okay, so move the vertical guide. So this is a vertical guide here. Move it to 2.25. So I'm just going to scroll over here, 2.42, 2.29, 2.26, 2.23, 4, 5, 4. I'm not that good at getting these things. But you know what? I bet I'm just going to release and see if it'll take it. All right, so if you get it close, it's okay, because it just took that. So now I have to insert a new vertical guide. So I can just right click on this one and add a new vertical guide. Okay, so add a vertical guide. And that's this new one. And make this one to the left of 0. So here's 0. So to the left, and it's the same number, 2.25. So, yoop, 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 yoop. I'll let go there again. Yeah, so it'll still take it, okay? So I've got that thing in there. As long as you're close, you see it, you're going to be A-OK. All right, that's the bottom line. All right, so let's see here. Now, set the guide's position as default. Guides position, guides. So here's grids and guides. Grids and guides, set the guide's position as default, set as default. Okay, so that's done. All right. So here, now, let's see, align the parakeet's beak with the rightmost vertical guide. All right, so we have 2 vertical guides. This is a vertical guide, and this is a vertical guide. So the rightmost is this one, and they're saying the parakeet, I mean, this is, they kind of look the same, but you can't see any beak on that one for sure. The beak here, my God, it's like already there. Okay, so I'm literally going to just drag this here to the left. Okay, like that maybe. Align the parakeet's beak. No, it didn't take it. It did not take it. To the rightmost vertical guide. Oh wait, did I go the right way? No, I got to take the picture. Wait a minute. Take the picture and move it slightly to the this way to get like there. Okay, yeah. So just barely moved it, but to the right. Okay. You know what? You can probably also use your directional arrow. You know, like your right arrow, and just hit it, like click it once, and it'll probably move it just enough. But anyway, so deselect the bird picture. Okay. And then turn on the grid lines. Well, again, that's a view thing. So here's grid lines. All right. So now we have to position the baby blue ribbon so that the left edge aligns with the 2-inch mark. So this is the baby blue ribbon. Here's a big red ribbon. So put this one to the left edge. Click on it first. Okay, so the left edge right now is I got the 2.5 or 2 and whatever. They want it to the right of 0. So they want it on this 2 right here. Okay, so move that. So the left edge is on 2. All right, that's about right there. And then the bottom edge aligns with the 3. So move it up. So that's 3, and that's left edge on 2, and release. Okay, so that's A-OK. So that's done. So now this is already the 4th one for chapter 4. So that means there's, after this one, 2 more to go. Select all the, slide 5. Oh, okay, so sometimes you got to change. See, I was on slide 4 and I just read on slide 5 and I happen to look. Sometimes I don't even look because sometimes they stay in the same one. But so I'm on slide 5. Select all the images from left to right and use align to slide to align the middle images to the middle. All right, so click, said from left to right. So click on one, and then I'm going to hold the shift key down or the control key down and go from left to right. Keep holding it down, get all the way to the right. All right, so they're all done. Now select all the images. So let's see, this is where we're formatting it or designing it. Format, so I've selected them all. And here's the arrange. Use the align to slide. This one here is align objects. This one is group objects. This one is rotate. So align objects is align, I guess. Align to slide. So click on that. I don't know if it did anything. Align. The arrow was already there. I don't know if I did anything. No, that's incorrect. I think I did it, and now I have to now align the images to the middle. So now this is align and then align to the middle. Yeah. Okay. So now we have to distribute the images horizontally. So again, we're already in the format, and distribute. Align, let's see if under align, okay, there's distribute 2 in here, distribute horizontally. They're all selected, so it's okay, and so we say horizontally, okay? All right, so that's 4.1, okay, now it's 4.1.5, so this is number 5 here. On slide 6, this is slide 6, open the selection pane, okay? So the selection pane, see in the home, there's select, I think it's this one. They didn't open the selection pane. They didn't say to do anything with these things yet. So I think it's in the select and then the selection pane. All right, so open it. So now it's open. And that means we get to do things on the right side if they don't have us do it in the middle side. So they're now saying hide heart 6, heart 7, and heart 8. So if we're going to be hiding those things, obviously, and we can do it from that view, it looks to me like this is going to be the answer. It's not, what do you call it? It's not like it doesn't put up a note when I click it. But this is C. You know how like in a password it says C? So I'm thinking if I click it, it's going to take away. They're saying hide. I can also right click maybe and let's see. No, there's no right click option. Hide heart 6, 7, and 8. I'm going to just click on 6 right here. Well, actually, it doesn't matter where. No, it does matter. Let's see here. Okay, so click on top of the I, because that is like show password, and in this case, show whatever. So that was number 6. No, that was, wait. Okay, number 6, because now you can't see it. And then number 7, I don't know if order matters here, but that's what I'm doing. And then, oh, it's kind of cool how the pictures go one at a time. Number 8. Okay, so now it says delete the puppy picture. So we don't know which one is the puppy, but I mean over here, because it says heart. So here's the puppy, obviously. So I'll just click the delete button. So that's A-OK now. So now they want us to display those pictures. So display the pictures again, 6, 7, and 8. If I do it in the same order, 6, 7, and 8. Okay. Now they're saying bring the picture of the tan cat. God, tan. Tan is brown, right? Tan is brown. So that's, I guess, this one here. It's sort of orangey looking to me, but that must be tan. So bring this one to the front. It doesn't say tan. You have to know which color is which. What's going on? Oh, okay, they're only letting me click one, it looks like. Anyway, so it's that for sure. So they want me to then bring this thing out to the front. So let's see here. Arrange. Yeah, bring to front. So in the arrange, bring to front. Yeah, that was that one. And then select the 3 cat pictures from left to right and align the pictures to the slide. Then align the pictures to the middle. Oh, that's the same thing we did a minute or 2 ago. So select the 3 cat pictures from left to right. Well, this is the most left. Hold my control key. This is the second left. And then this is the third left. Okay, so they're all selected. Align the pictures again. So the align was in the format or design, one of them. Yeah, this one here in the arrange. And then here, when I click the line to slide, it doesn't seem to do anything, but I'm going to click it again. Okay, and now align the pictures to the middle. So here, align pictures, align middle. All right. Okay, so that's that part. Now, on slide 6, we're still on slide 6, move the heart 8 shape. Heart 8 shape. It's hard to know which one is heart 8 unless I... Heart 8 shape so that its left edge is aligned with the text box. Well, this is the text box. So obviously it doesn't matter. If I click here and just drag, then this one here will be the one that will butt up against the text box. So its left edge is aligned using the smart guides that display. Okay, so these are smart guides, but there will probably be a smart guide for there too. So click, just drag over. Yeah, so it just took it. Okay. All right. Now on slide 6, group the 3 cat pictures. So group. So it's only one showing, so I'm going to show all 3. Okay. And now group, I saw that over here actually. Was this one? Yeah, group. And it says group them. So group. Excuse me. Okay, so that was 415. So that means I've done 5. And again, I'm down way more than half. I don't know how many are in these, but it looks like maybe I should have done 4 or 5 this time. But either way, it doesn't, whatever. But add a new slide after slide 7. So here's slide 7. Slide 7. That we did one like this earlier too. So this is the new slide, and they want title and content. So click title and content. All right. And then in the placeholder for the title, that's this one, we type, we train in small and provide in small, service animals in small. Okay, I was going to say, do I type the period? But obviously I don't, because it then moved. So now I'm down to insert a picture. So remember, this was title and something other content. But like this is a table, this is a chart, this is smart art, this is video, and this is a online picture, but they're wanting us to do a picture, which is this one. So click picture because it says insert the picture file. And similar to earlier when we clicked one like this, it brought us to where we needed to go. That was when we did insert slides from outline. So I got to click the picture here. So now it's selected and insert. So now that is done. All right. So now let's see, set the scale height of the image. So the image is already selected. So now we just go up here to our little format stuff again, and we have to figure out what we're going to be doing. So here, the scale height. So this is size, and this is all size things. So it's probably going to be in the, well, we don't want to crop it, obviously, we're making it bigger. But anyway, this is something to blow it up even more to give us more choices. And it's in here. So they're saying here, scale height of the image to 368. So here is scale height. So double click it, triple click it, 368. You don't have to type percent, enter it, because its numbers are always based on percent. Like the ones up here are based on inches. That's why I didn't have to put the double quotes. So wait, scale of the height of the image to 368. Okay. I don't know what the width was before, but anyway. And position the image to 4.5 inches horizontally from the top left. Okay, so here is position. Position, top left is here, but they want the image to be 4.5 inches to the top left. So select it, 4.5, and enter it. And then, let's see. Position image of that from the top vertically. All right, so this one also from the top left, and it's in the top left. So just get in here and type 1 and enter. Let's see. Oh, close the picture box. Okay, so just close the box. Okay. On slide 8, remove the background. So when, again, you're on the picture, so you're in your picture tools, and remove background is over here on the left. So remove the background using the default removal area and keep the changes. So click remove the background, default removal, whatever default is, and keep the changes. And that's done. So that is now 6 on that one. So I've done a lot of those as well. So I'm going to click submit. I hope this didn't take more than 40 minutes, but I'm thinking perhaps it did now. Let's see. That was 40%, so it's close to half. Okay, so that's chapter 3 and chapter 4. I'll also do chapter 5 and chapter 6 tomorrow, which is class day, hopefully before class. And I'll then play both of these videos in class tomorrow. It'd be my guess. All right. Have a great night. Have a great night. Let me stop my recording.